Hello everyone. Today we are going to recite a very beautiful poem that is Georgie's Treat. So without any further delay, let's proceed further. So let's recite the poem. Poor little Georgie and his sick mother had nothing for fire during harsh winter. Dried sticks and twigs from under the trees was all that the poor boy could gather. So one fine day he went out to the woods to cut and axe some firewood. Georgie worked hard till the sun was high, then under the tree did Georgie lie. So students, Georgie Treat is a very beautiful and touching poem. This poem is about a poor but hardworking boy whose name was Georgie. Poor little Georgie lived with his sick mother in a small hut. It was very difficult for them to make the ends meet. They had nothing to feed and comfort themselves in the harsh winter. He could gather only dried sticks and twigs from under the trees. One fine day, Georgie got up and went to collect some firewood. Georgie cut and axed the wood till the sun was high on head. Georgie then exhausted and lay under the tree. The next stanza. Where covered in moss he did find scarlet berries red and wild. Thought Georgie, how good these will be on butter bread I wish I had with me. He set to work saving the ripe red ones in a makeshift cap made of leaves. By the tree, by the river, he sat to taste them, took one but stopped and thought of Mom. So, to his surprise, he found wild red scarlet berries covered in the moss. Students, moss means tiny leafy steamed flowerless plant. So, Georgie was delighted to see them. Georgie wondered how would those berries taste with buttered bread he wished he had with him. He set off to select and save the ripe red berries. In a small cap made up of leaves. He sat beside the river to taste them, but then he stopped and thought of his mom, his poor, sick mom. Next stranger. Should I save them? He asked with a sigh. Looking at them with longing eyes, Georgie then decided to go half and share, and not to eat all of them there. Loving son that he was, Georgie bit but a single one and wrapped the rest of his sick mom, and hungrily started back for home. He thought to himself, should I save them for my mom? He looked at those berries with desire and sigh, and then he decided to share half of his berry with his mother. He wrapped the berries for his mom and hungrily set back for home. Next stanza. As he neared his thatched hut, less to have them he felt, had I eaten, would I ever since, said he, have this wave of happiness. So, he was a loving son. While walking back to his home, he wondered to himself that he would never be able to experience the wave of happiness he had eat all the berries on his own. He then understood that happiness of sharing. So student, sharing is caring. So I hope you understood this poem which actually taught that sharing is caring. So students, keep learning and stay safe. Thank you.